Press tubular button, select R, O, C. Click the image, enter the key data. The original key can open cylinder. Put the original key into the tubular key clamp. Tighten the holder. Press decode button to start decoding original key and get the key numbers. Press cut button, take out the original key, fix a new key, blanket the clamp, tighten the holder. Press cut button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate, clean the clamp and new key, take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing.